Hey everyone, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried setting up a WordPress site and ended up neck deep in database errors and random settings that make zero sense? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you you could launch a fully functional WordPress site in seconds? No setup, no stress, and absolutely no tech headaches. Today we're diving into TasteWP, your new favorite tool for building, testing, and hosting WordPress sites faster than you can say admin panel. TasteWP is a ridiculously easy platform that lets you create WordPress sites for testing, staging, demoing, or even full-time hosting, all with just a few clicks. Whether you're a blogger, developer, QA tester, or agency, this tool is built to make your workflow smoother and smarter. No coding required, no complex setup, just click, build, and go. Key features. Let's take a quick tour of what makes TasteWP so powerful. Instant WordPress setup. Launch a site in seconds with auto-generated login details. Perfect for quick testing or client demos. Pre-configured recipes. Use custom site templates packed with pre-installed themes, plugins, and settings. You can even save your own templates for future use. Staging made simple. Create a local or hosted staging environment to test updates without risking your live site. Bonus, you get a free premium backup plugin just for being a sumo link. Full customization. Choose your PHP and WordPress versions, tweak settings, and make it your own. Permanent hosting with your domain. Ready to go live? Connect your domain and make TasteWP your forever host with up to 20 gigabytes of storage on high-performance servers. And if you're juggling multiple projects, no worries. You can switch between sites with one click and share links instantly with clients or teammates. So if you're tired of wasting hours on WordPress setup and just want a tool that works fast, flexible, and frustration-free, TasteWP is the way to go. Whether you're building for clients, testing new plugins, or running your own blog empire, TasteWP has you covered from staging to hosting. Hit the link below to get lifetime access to TasteWP at its lowest price ever. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tool that could change your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.